Escalates are fighting. No, stop. No, bro. No, don't take it.
No.
Get on your stomach.
I will.
On your stomach.
Bro, you just hit fucking taste.
Location, Illinois, United States. Incident 1, CVS retail theft. Physical resistance, ECD deployment. Incident 2, criminal trespass to police department property. Date of footage unconfirmed. Obtained via public records request.
Hello. What's going on?
So I caught him on the camera putting a lot of stuff on the back that he was like in his backpack, and now he's trying to hide his comment.
Okay.
So yeah, I caught him on camera. So
Okay.
okay.
What's up, man? What's going on? Nothing? Where you going?
117 from Echo
Home?
26.
Okay, what do you got?
Dumb shit.
Okay, step over here.
Yeah, I got you.
Step over here. Step over here.
I'll drop it off.
It doesn't matter now, man. You have an ID on you?
117 Glenn.
No idea.
Okay. Well, you have an ID on you?
No.
No? Where you going? Where you going?
man.
Where you going?
Come on, man. Escalates are fighting. Fucking resist, man. Stop fucking resisting, man. Stop, man. Stop fucking resisting. Stop.
Stop, dude.
Stop, dude.
Stop. Stop. Stop, bro. Stop. Stop, bro. I fucked up.
Keep his legs.
What's that?
Keep his legs. Okay. Good. Send all units fight. Give me your leg.
I'll go.
Hey, put your arms in here.
Okay.
Arms bent back.
Okay, let me just get up.
Bro, arm.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting anymore. Okay. I'm not resisting anymore. I'm not resisting anymore. Get up.
Arm.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting anymore. Okay. I'm not resisting anymore. I'm not resisting anymore. Just.
We're in the vestibule.
I'm not resisting anymore. I'm just trying to get some air.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get some air.
All right.
That's it.
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
I can't, bro, because
Get on your stomach.
Wait up, I got
Do it.
I got a fucked up stomach. Bro.
Okay, well, you're getting on your stomach.
You got a taser on you?
No, don't take it.
Taser on you?
No. Get on your stomach.
I will.
On your stomach.
Wait up, bro. You just see me. You just see me, brother.
Fuck up, man.
Turn around. You just see me, bro. You just fucking hit me, bro. Come on, man. Come on, guys. Stop. Stop, guys.
Give me your arm.
Stop.
Give me your arm.
Dude, you're gonna get fucking tased, man. You wanna get fucking tased or no?
You're done.
Why y'all fucking me up like that, bro?
Tase him.
We got him.
Bravo 65 and 33 en route. Just want to custody.
Bravo 2, we're good.
For one in custody. Units respond to the CVS and take slow.
Get up.
CVS and take slow.
Get up.
Let me get up.
What do you got?
One
Pockets?
27. Can you please tell me who the tow was that came to Burger King?
Keep your legs out. Get up.
Let me get up.
Get up.
Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, but we got him out there, man. I got him out there, man.
Red for 27.
Go ahead.
Be clear from
What's in there? What's in your pants, dude?
domestic.
Shorts, no, yeah, your gas
Oh,
shorts.
no, these are my socks.
No, there's something hard in there.
Socks, dude. That's it.
Does that sound like socks?
It's socks, dude. Look, pull it out. Pull it all out. It's socks. I swear to God. That's it, man. Can you yourself up?
The fuck you talking about? Huh? Yeah, from you, dumbass. Don't worry.
Let go of your shirt.
She had me in it.
Okay.
I was just trying to get away.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
That's all I had, man. I ain't got anything else.
Come on, I got it. Let's go. Are you in 5 or what? I'm in 5, yeah.
What's up?
Are you taking him? Here, put him in 5. I'm in 5, yeah.
What's up?
Are you taking him? Put him in 5. Put him in 5.
39-year-old Torres thought he could hide his dirt from the law, but the next man took his distaste for police directly to their front door. Officers in Illinois have been dealing with the little flower pot issue where dirt appears on the outside floor of the police station. After multiple instances, they reviewed the CCTV camera and quickly realized it's not an animal, but a human.
What's up, my man? How are you? Good, you? Good. Take your book bag off just a minute, I need to talk to you.
I'm not in trouble, am I?
Well, you tell me.
I should be.
Put the book bag down.
Yes, sir.
What's the deal with you throwing the dirt up against the police department this morning? Tearing the flower pot up?
I wasn't trying to do anything wrong.
Well, why did you do it?
I was just being silly. I'll go clean it up.
Okay.
Yes, sir. May I clean it up?
No.
No.
You're going to jail.
Am
Put
I?
your hands behind your back. Yes, sir. It's criminal trespass. You can't tear up the city's property, Nick.
Well, I did. I wasn't trying to hurt nothing.
Well, you was right there on camera. I mean, you know, there's a camera right there.
Well, I wasn't trying to hurt nothing, sir.
You got any weapons or anything in this bag? Any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Where's that camouflage hat you was wearing this morning?
In my bag.
When did you was wearing shorts this morning, where they at?
In my bag.
Okay. Nothing gonna poke me or stick me?
No, sir.
Just napkins?
No, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
How long I go to jail for?
Well, it's just a criminal trespass warrant for tearing up that stuff.
What is that, a misdemeanor or something?
Misdemeanor.
So how long you got to stay for that?
Well, I don't know, Nick.
Well, the least possible would be good.
Do what?
I said the least possible would be good. I appreciate it. I didn't mean to do nothing bad.
Yeah, but you did. How many times have you done it? I've seen it's been tore up when I come in before, but then I thought an animal was doing it, and then I come in there and I'll be dang if it ain't you. I didn't think me and you had any beef. I don't understand why you want to do that.
When I'd been here before, you had told me to do that, sir.
I told you to throw the dirt up against the police department?
You said put some dirt out in front of it. Yes, sir. The last time I was here. Yes, sir. I appreciate y'all. I didn't mean to.
Man, you got all kind of dadgum jackets on.
Nick, I'm just gonna pat you down, all right?
Yes, sir. Yeah. I wasn't trying to harm nothing, get in the way of anything.
Nothing gonna poke me, right, Nick?
No, sir. I don't have anything illegal, nothing like that.
What did you do with your book bag last time you went to jail? Did you take it with you?
Yeah.
So I come in this morning and my administrative assistant's like, somebody threw dirt all over the front doors and out of the flower pot and all. And I'm like, had to be an animal. I mean, but there's a camera. There's a camera. There's a camera right there, you know, I mean, looking right on it. And so I go back and play the camera, and about 6:50 this morning, he walks by, just starts throwing dirt out of the flower pot against the front door.
It was you.
And I'm like, for real?
Well, the best one was what he did to him on the interstate. He goes, I was looking for a place to stop.
Yeah, he told you, I told him he could walk to the bank down the interstate, huh?
Yeah. The governor told him.
He said you told him to.
He just told me, he said, well, you told me last time to throw some dirt in front of the PD.
You want that or we good?
Nah, we good. I got everything. Lord have mercy.
Fourth Amendment. Probable cause. Illinois v. Gates. 462 U.S. 2-13-1983. Eyewitness observation combined with live surveillance satisfies the totality of circumstances standard for warrantless arrest. 720 ILCS 516-25. Retail theft. Elements concealing merchandise with intent to deprive the merchant of possession and full retail value. Both elements satisfied before officer-subject contact. 720 ILCS 519-1. Burglary. Open store doctrine. People v. Weaver. 1968. Entry into an open business with prior criminal intent constitutes entry without authority. The public's implied consent to enter does not extend to criminal purpose. Illinois v. Wardlow 528 U.S. 1192000. Unprovoked flight from officers is a legally cognizable factor in the reasonable suspicion calculus. Where probable cause already exists, flight further strengthens lawful detention authority. 720 ILCS 531-1. Resisting or obstructing a peace officer. Liability is assessed objectively, not on the subject's self-characterization. Verbal denial of resistance does not negate documented physical obstruction. Courts apply a conduct-based standard, not an intent-based one. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Constitutional use of force standard. Force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not in hindsight. 3 controlling factors: severity of the crime at issue, immediate threat to officers, or public active resistance or attempt to evade. ECD deployment, Graham analysis applied, offense level felony, duration of resistance approximately 2 minutes, commands refused multiple by 2 officers. All 3 Graham factors support less lethal force escalation at the point of deployment. 720 ILCS 531-1. A 7. Resisting, causing injury to officer. Class 4 felony. Combined with 720 ILCS 519-1, burglary at Class 2 felony level aggregate sentencing exposure, under 730 ILCS 5-4.5 increases substantially. Prior 2014 conviction is a relevant factor at sentencing. Chimel v. California 395 U.S. 7. 521-969. Search incident to lawful arrest officers may search the arrestee an immediate grab area without a warrant following a valid custodial arrest. No additional judicial authorization is required. 720 ILCS 521-3. Criminal trespass to state-supported land. Class B misdemeanor. Pattern conduct documented across multiple CCTV-confirmed incidents provides independent legal basis to elevate response from civil citation to custodial arrest under Illinois Enforcement Authority. Lesson 1. Tactical. Solo arrest initiation without backup staging increases the probability of force escalation under the Graham continuum. Officer safety doctrine requires numerical advantage before physical control of a non-compliant subject is attempted. Lesson 2. Legal. Verbal denial of resistance creates no statutory defense. 720 ILCS 531-1 is a conduct-based offense, assessed objectively. Subjective belief or self-characterization is legally irrelevant to obstruction liability. Lesson 3. Legal. Under Illinois burglary doctrine, timing of criminal intent is dispositive. Intent formed before entry satisfies the without authority element of 720, ILCS 51921. Intent formed after entry does not. This factual question is the central issue at the preliminary hearing stage.